is shipping as a two model. We have the free and also the pro. And free is like you can download Claude as an application. It can run on Mac and Windows. It can run on local, and also you can bring your own key. But you can also upgrade to Pro, where you have going to have like AgenticFlow Cloud delegation. For example, like Claude going to have like delegation to some agent on AgenticFlow to do some certain tasks, and it can using some like login by ChatGPT, Claude, and anti-gravity, and further feature as well. So for today, I'm going to try to cover it as much as possible so that you can see the potential of Claude, and also I will try to like see how I can share with you like why Claude is going to be a fundamental part of AgenticFlow, and we have to build Claude in order to push moving forward. Okay, first one I would like to share with everyone is a good news, right? Okay, so we give Claude license is $99 per license. This is retail price, and what we are giving you is all lifetime deal customer can receive 1 up to 50 license for free. So this is what I was promised on last Friday, and we was trying to make it possible so that you can easily take it as easy as possible. So I'm going to show you how you can claim this kind of like license right away. Firstly, you go into AgenticFlow AI, and you should be able to log into this one, and you need to log into a workspace with the license tier 5 connected. Okay, it should show tier 5 here. If you are not showing tier 5, then when you go into the next page, it will not show up. So the first one is you click on this launch part. So the launch part is where you are going to able to claim your VIP code. Because we are thinking like this. So if you are having a tier 5, then actually you are going to receive around like $4,950 of the license value on this one. So we would like to help you to make it kind of like a branded corporate gift. So instead of like just I give it to you and you can just use that or not use that. So I was thinking like if maybe you are working with client and customer or friend or family, then perhaps that you can also give that to them as well. Or even that you can resell them, that's okay. And what you can do now is that you can go into this one, claim your executive partner part, turn your 50C into branded VIP, maybe Claude Executive Pro, like this one. And you can click on this button. Click on this button. And then what it means is that we are going to allow you to create a code that's going to give anyone using this code with 100% off in Claude Pro license. Okay. And this is branded one. So it means you can name your brand. Maybe I will give my brand is, Design Studio. Yep. I will click claim now. And I'm going to see like, okay, I have some here. And I will see like this is my code of like Design Studio or VIP, and this is just a code. Okay, I will copy this one, but I will also make it easier for you to share. So you just click on this share code, and then you can choose like your team. So like, hey team, I bought a corporate license for Claude. It's automate our license, and you can apply this code to get it for free. And you can just copy this message and share to your team. Or if you would like to share with your client, then you can switch to this one. We also give you the message as well. Hey, thank you for working with us. I want to give you a pro license on this one, and it's soon we are using, using this code. So you just copy the lesson and you can send it to anyone. So I will demonstrate to you how you can using this code. Okay. Firstly, you click on this one to copy the code. I will copy, and then you go into Claude. And then you are going to pricing, of course. When you firstly, you go in here. So click on get lifetime license. And then you click on get lifetime license. Click on this one. This 70% promo code is going to expire today. But maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, you would like to claim. You just go here, you remove this code, and then you click on this one and you paste the code that we just applied to you. Apply. AgenticFlow AI. Bam. It's done. So when I'm in here already, then actually I can click on activate now, but sometimes it doesn't work. So you just go into the web's our application. It will click to open Claude. Okay. And it will lead you to this page. I may open my screen here. So I'm going to switch my sharing so that everyone can see. Okay. You will greeting this one. The logo is broken, but anyway, you have this one and you can click next. And in here, I just have to make sure I'm going to Discord and see if you have the, you see this one or not. Okay. You should always see. And also on YouTube, are you able to see? Okay, good. So you just typing the email, Sean@AgenticFlow.ai, and you click continue. So we are going to send you a code to activate your account on license on this one. Please check your email because our domain is maybe landing to your spam. So make sure that you check spam as well. So I'm going to check my in here. Okay, log into my account, and this is 305263. Okay, and I will verify. Okay, so this is the first one as well. So we are having the Claude, and also I really trust Claude, but I'm thinking that maybe you will need some of the caution. So we also have you to split into 3 levels. So you can think about like Claude like an intern. So ask me everything before you make change anything. So under the setting on the right hand side, everything Claude will ask you from terminal execution, file edit, web fetch, or external directory access. Or if you are a bit more confident, then you can give it to level 2, which is the associate. So this can do some of the tasks like file edit with web fetch, but we are retaining the terminal and also external directory access to ensure things not broken. Okay. And finally is the partner. So it means you are trusted. You can allow to do everything. But I would suggest that you start here, level 2. Don't move further than this one. Okay. Because maybe sometimes that Claude is AI, right? AI is like state-of-the-art technology, and it can or cannot having problem. I am not quite sure that something that he can do or not do. So I would suggest that you here, okay? Pay attention to him. He's very powerful, but pay attention to him. So after you have this one, then you click next. Then it is in this case, that is, you can configure your intelligent engine because Claude is running by LLM, and either the LLM will be powered by OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google, or maybe most of us should already have the credential login for ChatGPT, Anthropic, and Google already. So I think you can just use this one and move, or you can click on the I have an API here. So that is going to give you some option to create like open router or so on. Or if you don't have anything, then you can click I don't have any of above so we give you a few like credit to test the platform. But for now, in today, I'm going to click on login with Anthropic. Okay. Connect provider. So normally it's going to need to go into Anthropic, and then I will able to select Claude Pro Max here. So I click on Claude Pro Max, and there will be an authentication windows is going to open up. And then it will ask me to accept this one, the code, and submit. And it will show me that Anthropic is connected. So that's how easy is it when you are connecting Claude Pro Max to Anthropic. Okay, you will see that Anthropic is having a lot of model in here. There is some model that say Pro and Pro Max. So if you're selecting this one, then when you are saying, I just say hello. Okay, let me click on this other one. It can answer me already on this part. And in case that sometimes if you don't see the left hand side upgrade to Pro is refreshing, then you can click on this upgrade to Pro, and also you can click on activate your license and entering your email that you just registered in the previous step, AgenticFlow.ai, and then just click activate, and that's it. You are going Pro already, and it will unlock you different feature. For example, like using the LM model that powered by Claude Pro and Max, and some other feature. For example, like agent skill, where we can have like unlimited skill for Pro, and also the other feature as well when we add it when integration with AgenticFlow and so on. But